Today we're going to take a look at a little bit of a project. This is a XK120 1953 Drop Head Coupe, and this is a basket case. It's a project car, and I wanted to do a video that shows just what the logistics are going to be for getting this to your home. Now, my shop is on a major street, so backing in here is pretty easy. And of course, I can help you with lifting the major parts. My forklift just ran out of propane at a very inopportune time, but that will be rectified. Now, this drop head comes with the rear half that's correct for the chassis, original to the chassis, but it also comes with the XK120 Roadster back half. So, mix and match. These are going to need rust repair, so maybe one would be good for a donor. Now, we're going to go inside and take a look at the chassis and all the parts. Ooh, it's cold. All right, it's warmer in here. Here is the rolling chassis. And this has a XK150 motor. This is a V-stamped motor from a 150. But with the car comes a correct W-stamped block that's correct for an XK120. It's not the block that came with this car, but it's era correct. Now, according to the Heritage Certificate, the transmission is original to this chassis, and of course the chassis number is. And as far as this XK150 block goes, if you decide to use the 120 block, the good thing about this is the head's matching numbers, so that does add value. Now, there's a few things you can see, part of the carburetor, one of the carburetors is missing, and the things that I know are missing are the flywheel, the generator, and the steering linkage. So, be prepared. You're going to have to source a few parts. Right now, I just have this piece of conduit I rigged up just so the wheels turn in tandem. All right. Now, let's take a look at all of the parts. Wanted to stack them all together here so you could get an idea of just like how much space this is going to take up. So, if you come with a 2-car trailer or maybe a box truck, this is going to give you an idea of just how much stuff you're going to have to deal with. And like I said, I can help you and, get a friend and get some manpower here, get the forklift going, and we'll make it happen. But it is a big project. But it's a worthwhile project. 53 XK120 Drop Head Coupe. They didn't make very many of them. So hopefully this car will be put back on the road.